How to become a successful YouTuber in 5 minutes or less. Step 1. Make a channel.
I dag der skal jeg til at lave en YouTube-kanal, og det går jeg bare i gang med. YouTube.com Create. Der var det. Hello guys, my name is Stephen, and please leave a like if you enjoy my videos.
How to videos.
Hi guys. Yeah, this is Sam.
Comedy videos.
What are you doing? I'm gonna wreck your body. That's not very nice of you. Who's there? Who? Who? Don't cry, little baby. Knock, knock, knock. Who's there? No. No, who? Nobody.
Vlogging.
Guys, i dag har jeg mødt en rigtig skør person. Han sidder lige ved siden af mig, hvis I vil se ham.
Challenge channel.
Hallo. Jeg har tænkt mig at lave den her spooky Charlie challenge. Bare for at se om det virker. Så, ja. Er I klar? Charlie, are you here? Oh my god!
Music. Parody videos.
Hello, it's me. I'm in California dreaming about you, moon.
Pranking.
Hej. I dag der skal jeg prank min ven ved at prøve ham. Okay, kom så. Hey, vær stille. Jeg kommer her for at røve dig.
Hvad fanden? Hvad laver du? Prøv at røve mig.
Ja. Lige gå bak, det var bare prank. Det var det.
Step 4. Don't be nervous. I said don't be fucking nervous. Step 5. Shameless self-promotion.
Nå ja, så husk at subscribe og leave a like. Færdig.